In today's video, we're going to focus on improving the skin quality of our main character, the one we've been following in our previous videos. But if you haven't seen those videos yet, don't worry. We're going to start fresh and start everything from the beginning in this video. Let's load the default workflow here and try to develop from there. This time, we are trying out the model EPICPHOTOGASM. Let's start with beautiful young lady, posing at a serene landscape, high quality, sharp. And the negatives, deformed, ugly, CGI, dull. Okay, let's see what we got. The scenery looks good, but that's not a beautiful lady. Okay, let's add our character face image. For this, I will add the IP adapter face ID. Connect the model pipeline through this node now. We will use Face ID version 2 here. Connect the clip vision, the VITH model, inside face loader. Set the weights. Don't forget to set the Face ID of V2 to true. The Face ID needs a LORA here. Face ID V2 LORA. Let's add a LORA stack here. This comes from ComfyUI custom node. Apply LORA stack. This Face ID V2 LORA can be downloaded from the manager. Set the weight of this LORA to 0.8. Let's give this a try and see what we get. Wow, it's actually better than I thought it would be this time. I'm happy with the results from this model called EPICPHOTOGASM. Although the details in the eyes aren't perfect at this level, but that's alright for now. We'll use the face detailer node from Impact Pack to refine the eyes and the face. Make sure to download the Impact Pack from the ComfyUI Manager. Okay, let's make the connections to the face detailer. To make it simple, we'll use a buzz node to get all the connections. I think this ComfyUI bus node has a problem. It doesn't have names to the connections. Let me think. There was another bus node that I used before that had connection names. Oh yes, this bus node from WAS node suite. Okay, so let's make the connections. In this context, we will utilize a distinct variational autoencoder, VAE. The motivation behind this choice is to achieve a slight enhancement in quality. Oh, it generated something that's not good for YouTube. So, let's set the negative prompts first. Oh, let's see what we are missing. B-Box detector provider. We'll use Ultralytics detector provider from Impact Pack. Okay, the eyes look detailed now. Good. Okay, let's try one more time. So this is the before and after of the face detailer. Let's try to enhance the skin details using some LORAS. Let's go to Civit AI. I will put a link to this LORA in the description below for you to test. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's load this LORA in the LORA stack. Alright, here is our result. I think skin looks more textured now. Look at these spots on the skin. Looks slightly more natural now. But let's try another LORA. Skin slider V10. Try some waiter. 0.65. Let's see how it goes. Wait, is it even working? Oh, the LORA switch was off. Let's try again. Look at that shininess around the forehead. Looks good. Let's try something more. I will add a second case sample after the face detailer. Connect the VE and code again. Copy this case sample. And yeah, lower the denoise. We don't want to change the image too much at this level. It's just for the refinement. I will use a global sampler for all the samplers here. This node comes from the Inspire pack. Let's see how it goes compared to the previous preview. Here's our second pass result. I will leave this one to you to decide. Let me know in the comments which one looks better. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy creating.